How to comment out a block of Python code in Vim. I was wondering if there was any key mapping in Vim to allow me to indent certain lines of code, whether those lines have been selected in visual mode, or n lines above/below current cursor position. So basically something that converts the following. 2. I am okay with using either hash or for commenting out the relevant lines. Ideally, I would also like the same key mapping to uncomment the lines if the given lines have been commented out.
Step 1. Go to the first column of the first line you want to comment. Step 2. Press Ctrl+V and select the lines you want to comment. Step 3. Shift-I #space, enter insert at left mode, type JAS to insert. The selection will disappear, but all lines within it will be modified after Step 4. Step 4. Escape. One way manually.
You could add the following mapping to your Vimwork. Highlight your block width. Hash to comment your lines from the first column. Hash to uncomment the same way.
Highlight your block width, Shift. Comment the selected block out with column norm I hash, lowercase I. To uncomment, highlight your block again, and uncomment with column norm X. The column norm command performs an action for every selected line. Commenting will insert a hash at the start of every line, and uncommenting will delete that hash.